I mean, every airline you go to is going to have a barf bag in the pocket and also Clorox germ-killing wipes. Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Brian, and today in our Simply Explained, Simply Answered series, I'm going to address one of the biggest trading questions that we're getting right now, and that's what are the best 5 stocks for me to trade right now? So to answer that question, I went back and I looked at our recent War Room track record, and I sorted for the top 5 stocks that I trade with the most frequency and that I also trade with the most accuracy. And in this video, I'm going to reveal the 5 stocks that consistently deliver the best trading returns. So as you're going to see, the average returns from each of these trades, each of these stocks could make you thousands each and every single day trading. So let's get right into it. Okay, I'm going to break them down for you one by one, starting now. Here we go. Best 5 stocks to trade right now. Stock number 1 is Clorox. Now, I've traded Clorox 18 separate times, averaging nearly 19% gains per trade. So as you probably know, Clorox was the very first stock that I recommended buying when COVID began, and it's still in play right now today. Think about it. Like every restaurant in America is now going to have a salt and pepper shaker on the table and also a tube of Clorox wipes on the table. Every business in America is going to team up with Clorox to provide cleaners and sanitizer. I mean, every airline you go to is going to have a barf bag in the pocket and also Clorox germ-killing wipes. So you get the idea, okay? This trend is not going away, making Clorox one of the best stocks to trade right now. Okay, here we go. Number 2 is Walmart. Now, I've traded Walmart 17 separate times, and I've averaged 23% gains per trade. Why do I like it so much? That's simple. Safety. Okay, no matter what direction the markets are moving, Walmart always wins. In an up market, Walmart enjoys strength. And in a down market, Walmart actually acts as a safe haven as more like safety money transfers over and flows into Walmart. Why does that happen? Well, let's assume the worst. Okay, say we're in the midst of another Great Depression. Okay, even if that does happen, Americans are still going to shop at Walmart. So in a booming economy or in a Great Depression, Walmart is positioned to win no matter what. And that's why it's the second best stock to trade right now. Okay, here we go. Number 3 best stock to trade right now is the ProShares Ultra Short Dow 30, ticker symbol DXD. Now, if Walmart provided safety, then the DXD is high leverage safety. Here's what I mean. The DXD is an ultra short position, which means it moves at a rate twice the inverse of their benchmark index. So for example, if the Dow goes down 3% in any one day, the DXD is designed to move up 6% on that same day. So see how that correlation works? It's twice the inverse. And that's why DXD is such a great way to protect right now on any market pullback, because you get twice the protection. And this is why I've traded the DXT 16 different times and averaged 20% per trade. So if you look at the DXD chart, when it popped from $20 in March up to $42.50, you see that? That was the COVID panic. So even during a crisis, the DXD can double. And that is a safety net that you need. Okay, here we go. Stock number 4, the Triple Q. Now, I'm sure you know the story here. You get all of the FANG stocks, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, and Google. And you know what? Heck, throw in Microsoft. I mean, they've been so good. Throw it in there too. You can trade all of them all at once using the Triple Q. So on the days that tech is up, Triple Q calls are printing. On the day that tech is down, Triple Q puts are printing. So, and you have such big intraday moves every day, the Triple Q has resulted in the best average gain among all of this group of 5 stocks, averaging nearly 38% per trade. And I've done it 10 different times. Okay, here we go. Stock number 5, FedEx. Many consider FedEx as like the barometer for the country's economic health. Okay, so it's also, in my opinion, an indirect way to play Amazon. For example, anytime an Amazon order comes through, it's more business for FedEx. And this trend is only going to get stronger and stronger. Now, you're probably thinking, what about UPS? Or what about the US Postal Service? Forget about those two. Okay. In my opinion, FedEx is like McDonald's. UPS is like Burger King. And US Postal Service, they're like Hardee's or Carl's Jr. Okay. To play this trend, you want to own the best of breed, and that's FedEx. I've traded FedEx 8 different times and averaged 36% gains per trade. And there you have it, the best 5 stocks to trade right now. Clorox, Walmart, DXD, Triple Q, FedEx. Now, this leads to the most important question. How exactly do you trade these 5? In other words, how do you know when to buy and how do you know when to sell? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in my new report, 5 secret strategies to win every single day in the market. You want to start trading these names starting today? Well, then let's go. Click the link in the description below, and I'll send you a copy of this report for free. And that's today's episode. With that, I'll see you here next week in Trade Talk Tuesday. Until then, mask up so I could watch my live sports and cue my exit music.